If you're thinking about starting a home improvement project, a renovation loan may be the right choice for you. Renovation loans are used to fund upgrades to your home or help you improve a newly purchased home before you move in. Let's take a look at a few situations where a renovation could be a lifesaver. If you're buying a home and looking to save a few dollars on your purchase of a fixer-upper, combining a renovation loan with a purchase loan means you can buy and renovate a home with just one set of closing costs. Renovation loans also work with homeowners. Say your house has seen better days and its plumbing needs work, or you just want to modernize it with a new kitchen or a pool. A renovation loan works for both needed repairs and luxury upgrades. Maybe you're thinking about making improvements to your home, but you're worried that the project may be too big to take on. Well, a renovation loan will let you borrow against the value of your home after upgrades, allowing you to access more cash to make your house your dream home. Renovation loans are a great solution for first-time home buyers who have found a low-cost home and needed some TLC. They can purchase and customize that home at a steal. A renovation loan is also a great option for investment buyers who want to purchase fixer-uppers before either flipping them or renting them out. Established homeowners can also use renovation loans to personalize their space. Are you ready to find out how a renovation loan can help you? With branches across the country and over 30 years of mortgage experience, Homebridge can help. Contact Homebridge today to learn how a renovation loan can turn your homeownership dreams into a reality.